Are you ready to start our cooking show? Wow! Check it out. Our shirts are from Homegrown Phoenix, and they rock because we think it looks like. Who's that look like? Who is that? Who is that? He thinks it looks like the hedgehog. Hedgehog? That's not a hedgehog. That's a cactus. One chip. You got one chip to start the cooking show. One chip. But you gotta wait until after cooking show. No more marshies. These are my marshies. Hi everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of Hi everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of You want to get down? We just barely started the cooking show. Oh, bye-bye everybody. My name is Daddy, and this is Mr. I need a bite from a marshmallow right now. Oh my God! Oh my God, my finger! You got my finger! Buddy. So today, me and Indy decided that we're gonna make some s'mores graham cracker dip. I know it sounds strange, but it's really simple and delicious. Oh, good day, sir. May I dip from your s'mores tray? Oh, why yes, of course. Oh, that is already pre-oiled. First thing we need is some marshmallows. Indy, you ready? Marshmallows! Boom! Marshmallows! Boom! Ah! Ow! Here we go. So we're gonna cut them all in half so we have a nice little layer of marshy-warshies. Can you say marshy-warshy? Marshy? Hey! Hey! No more! No more! Hey! No! Put it in. Whoa! No! What? Indy! Here we go, lots of marshmallows for Indy and Daddy. Here we go. Hey! Gosh! No more stealing the marshmallows. You have too many in your bag. Hey! No more stealing the marshies. No more stealing. No. No more stealing the marshmallows. Oh, it's not that big of a deal. You already ate 20. You big old baby. Look, so you want to go and start lining your marshmallows around, see? And what I like to do is start from the outside. God, get him away! Baby's trying to get the marshmallows! I like to start from the outside. Big truck, big truck. We're going to eat some marshmallows on our trucks. We're going to go. Oh, Indy! Be careful! Dang! All right, there's a truck again. Hey, no! Indy! Unnecessary. So here's the beauty of it. Hey! I'm gonna bite you up. He slimed me. Oh! That was a big kiss. You give big kisses? Indy! Quit stealing all! Quit wheezing my mallows! Hey! No! Dang it! Get that face out of my face right now! Boy! Guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? It's time for the yummy. Chip, 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 chip. Now, if you're anything like your sister when she was your age, you're gonna pour these perfectly right onto the pan. Okay, ready? Pour them on. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you got it. Okay. Here you go. There we go. Okay, ready? Pour it on. Woo! That's pretty yummy. All right, next I'm gonna put some more marshmallows on top. Hey, don't eat that. Hey, don't eat that. Hey, don't eat that. You eat too many chips, dude. Hey! Don't eat that. Hey! Don't eat that. Hey! Don't eat that. Hey! You took my chip! Watch Daddy, watch Daddy. Ah! Ah! Do it! There we go! Whoa! Ha! 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 Get it! Whoa! Oh my god! There he goes, there he goes. Oh my gosh! Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Mm-hmm. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Are you kidding me right now? Totally unnecessary!
Pico, 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 pico. Pico, pico, pico.
The last step, we're gonna bake it in the oven and then it's gonna be ready and we're gonna be able to dip graham crackers in it and eat it like a salsa kind of. So let's sing a little song about salsa. Salsa, salsa, salsa makes me feel spicy. Salsa, salsa, salsa makes me feel nice. Salsa, salsa, salsa makes me feel spicy. Alright, all done. Yummy.
Dad, watch this, watch this. Dad, watch
What?
this.